How to fix the issue of mouse not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to use keyboard for this rest of the video. As your mouse is not working, click on Start menu from the keyboard and search for Device Manager. Simply in the search box you can type Device Manager, and once the application name appears on the list, simply use Enter key to open this application. Once the window of Device Manager opens, simply use Tab key to navigate throughout this screen. So, click on Tab and click on the arrow key to go to Mice and Other Pointing Device. Select your driver. Again using Tab, go to Driver at the top. Then after you will see the options below. Now for this option you also have to use the Tab key. So go to Uninstall Drive and click on Enter. Once you do, now you need to navigate to Action at the top in the Device Manager. So navigate using the Tab and arrow key. After that you will see the option of Scan for hardware changes. Navigate using arrow key, click Enter, and your Device Manager will be refreshed. After that you will be able to move your cursor. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.